Enterprise AI adoption collapses when human culture and psychology fail to support the transition. Deploying powerful automation into a rigid environment shatters organizational cohesion. To prevent this, we are going to build a tangible, one-page AI leadership action plan. This document will serve as your strategic anchor throughout the rollout. Start by opening a blank text document. Choose one upcoming AI initiative in your department to use as your specific test case for this exercise. This process requires no technical background or coding knowledge. Our focus is the set of behavioral controls and human capital strategies needed to manage the change. Preparing the workforce psychologically is the prerequisite to ensuring new technology is actually utilized. Without this groundwork, even the most advanced tools remain ignored. We begin with the leadership charter. Because AI capabilities evolve rapidly, leaders must master unknown management, the ability to maintain team resilience when the technical destination is constantly shifting. In your document, create a section for your charter. This is where you will define the behavioral guidelines for your leadership during this transition. Managing unknown variables requires a shift away from top-down mandates. Adopting a servant leader mindset provides the support teams need to innovate without fear of failure. Write your first principle now. Principle 1. We will use dynamic steering to adapt to unknown AI capabilities. Add the second principle. Principle 2. I will act as a servant leader to foster psychological safety during this transition. Avoid using corporate buzzwords here. Your team needs to see concrete, actionable behavioral commitments that they can hold you to. This written charter establishes a foundation of trust. When your team hits a technical hurdle, they can look to these principles to maintain their focus and composure. Next, we will build your readiness checklist. This requires systems thinking, an approach that analyzes the total organizational ecosystem and the value of every workflow step. Your checklist bridges the divide between IT capabilities and business strategy. You are looking for the intersection where technology generates results. Every question must force technical AI features to be justified by measurable business outcomes, like efficiency gains or increased ROI. Do not include software integration specifications. The goal is to keep your focus on the value of the workflow and the needs of the stakeholders. Write your first checklist item. Have I bridged the IT business divide by linking this AI tool directly to a specific ROI or efficiency metric? Applying this checklist ensures the organization adopts AI to solve specific business problems rather than simply following a technological trend. The final step addresses the transition of human capital. We need to map out how roles will evolve as AI begins to handle specific tasks. We use a modified GROW model: goal, reality, options, will, tailored for coaching through automation. Identify a routine task your team performs that AI will automate, labeled Point A. Then identify the high-value strategic task the employee moves toward, labeled Point B. Record this A to B transition in the Reskilling Roadmap section of your document. During the actual transition, your ability to lead with empathy will be the primary factor in managing the shift to a hybrid human-AI workplace. This roadmap provides the objective data needed for coaching conversations. Having a documented path for career advancement allows employees to see their future role within the changing organization. Review your document. You now have a completed one-page AI leadership action plan covering your principles, your business criteria, and your people strategy. You have moved into a proactive leadership stance, equipped with a framework designed for the human side of AI adoption. Next, present this leadership charter at your all-hands meeting. This will set the tone for the culture you intend to build. In the next module, we will discuss cyclical learning, which provides the mechanism for adjusting your strategy as the technology matures. In the AI era, technology is only as effective as the leadership culture that supports it.